Non-fungible tokens and the future. Information economies can utilize NFTs as a way of portrayal of explicit information. Fungible tokens could be utilized to demonstrate general admittance to an informational collection. However, NFTs can also be utilized to make significantly greater explicitness. For instance, the informational index produced more than 15 minutes. In an information economy, that permits the particular information to be exchanged and used, while the current use cases for information economies stay at a more mechanical scale. NFTs might actually help empower long-tail information economies and commercial centers. The capacity to split an NFT into more modest shares has tremendous prospects, particularly for NFTs that address costly resources. To get a clear picture, consider this. NFT can address a land property, and the NFTs can permit different people to get comparing offers to their desire in the property. Since NFTs are viable with ERC20 tokens, this additionally can make a business opportunity for the small amount of the resources they address, which can go from fragmentary portions of stocks, incomplete responsibility for, and surprisingly, the adaptation of licensed innovation. The advancement is of now here. It is left to the crypto highest points of our industry to return again to it. NFTs themselves give the particular construction to disturb the essential for human name specialists and consider certified resource remittability in a novel manner. Electronic to certified recovery would then have the alternative to be mechanized by tokening the obligation to exchange things, which combine anything from baseball cards to BMWs to houses as NFTs. According to one perspective, it is obvious that online business giant players have always been drearily mishandling clients and distinctive data flow, adding additional crumbling and expenses to the entire example of wearily exchanging a resource. Additionally, the DeFi scene has shown how huge it is and very well may be to upset existing collating plans, whether from the start cite it has a very one of the reserves of being a somewhat hard growth. Pair this pursuit with the way that making use of NFTs to fuel business will offer additional unassuming retailers a fighting believability, while giving clients more indispensable acceptance to the things reliant on their personal tendency. Accomplishing this objective ought to clearly be a principal concern. Notwithstanding, the NFT scene has agreeably developed to become a structure for the foundation of another page, all through the entire presence of business, where anybody can trust and utilize a really scattered trade setup, freed from mediating untouchables and affirmation costs. All things considered, it's essential to comment that the NFT business is as yet in an ascent. Subsequently, you accept new stages to come up at the apex of NFT, the undertaking's present rundown in 2021 and 2022.